I wanted to study somewhere welcoming with a great lifestyle. The University of Waikato Tauranga campus was the perfect choice. The campus is so close to the beach, compact, modern and friendly, and everything is in one building. Smaller classes mean you get to know everyone in your class with more one-on-one time with lecturers who genuinely care about how you're doing. For me, it's all about becoming the best teacher I can be.
Our programs prepare you to lead and inspire. Whether you're coming straight from school or already have a degree, we'll help you become a confident and capable teacher. You'll gain real-life experience working in classrooms and school settings, building confidence and real-world skills, and the connections to step straight into a teaching role after you graduate.
We don't just sit in classrooms. Our workshops are practical and engaging. Like today, we're out here on the beach, learning how to turn the environment into a classroom. It's a lifestyle balance too. I can finish class and in 15 minutes, I'm at the beach. I love the practical experience and support we get. Studying here has given me the skills, knowledge and lifestyle I was looking for. And if you can't study here in Tauranga, you can also study in Hamilton or online. No matter where you are, Waikato gives you a pathway to becoming a teacher.
Our campus celebrates cultural identity and community. It's a place where students feel at home, connected and supported. Come and study teaching with us at the University of Waikato Tauranga campus.
And get ready to inspire the next generation. This is where you become a teacher.